Hello, Paul here from EMD. We have a Porsche KS 955 here, so 4.5 liter. We're doing the actual, what do you call it, the actual oil level sensor. This one here, the fault kept coming up, oil level, doesn't even go away, just keeps staying there. So we have to drop the subframe, wheel arch off. Pretty involved, big job, and it's really hard to get to as well. So you got to drop the subframe, drop the engine mount on that side there. Engine mount has to come off, the bolt. So the nut, 18mm nut on top of that engine mount. Sorry. We have to remove the subframe halfway down, and we have to support the actual engine and the engine stand now. So then we finally get to remove the oil level sensor, because this oil level sensor sits between the subframe and the actual sump, and that's why we can't take it out, because it's too long. If that was shorter, you can get it out, but because it's a bit long on that part there, it doesn't come out properly, and you're gonna end up damaging the new one when it go in. So you gotta drop it down like this to do the job properly. Okay, so now we're gonna put everything back together now, and we're gonna put the fresh oil, because we have to drain the oil, fresh oil and filter, new filter as well, and then we're gonna erase the fault and go from there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.